Yo, welcome back once a motherfucking live streaming, um, trading live streaming here. Let's go right into it. So first things first, first thing that I want to take a look are the news. So we got, oh shit, President Trump speaks in like an hour. In like an hour, it's okay, I guess. We got some Canadian dollar news CPI today, which are like bad news for them. And Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was also bad numbers for the dollar, but I guess it's not gonna move. It's not gonna impact the news. No, man, we're not gonna lose money today, bro. We gotta make money every single day, and even if we are losing, on the long run, we won, man. So let's get right into the analyze here. Let me delete all the analysis and let me do a fresh analysis here. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So the weekly opened with a very it's okay gap, like 120 pips gap here on the weekly time frame. We break below the last weekly and I don't know, and this candle week's low right here. We break below them like 200 pips, kind of good. Let's drop to the daily time frame. On daily, we can see that we break below all of these weeks right here, even on the weeks right over here. But I want to drop the time frame, and for the moment I'm gonna let this rectangle right over here. So let's drop even more the time frame. For now, the bias is bearish for me. Let's take a look on the lower time frames. Let's drop to the 12-hour time frame. So right on the 12-hour right here, we can see better that we break below all of these structures right here. Now we form a minor support at this area right over here, and let's take a look even lower on the time frames. On 8-hour, we have, yeah, kind of the same setups. Let's drop to the 4-hour time frame. The 4 hours start to make here a minor resistance at this point. Let's drop to the 2-hour time frame. The 2-hour also form the minor resistance here. 1-hour candle break below this low right here. To me looks pretty good. I'm gonna drop the lot size and I'm gonna sell at this low right here, because on the all time frames are bearish at this point, and yeah, the 30-minute close bearish. I'm gonna keep the stops above this area right here, and yeah, also I expect this to continue moving down, because we got all the, I mean, all the bigger time frames are like bearish. So yeah, I've seen many times the candles like break above the high and then, you know, came back. This can be I mean, this entry, I take this entry just because this hourly candle just it's on wait, I forgot the name. It's an engulfing candle, so it's like bigger than the last candle here, and it got the potential to drop even more. So yeah, I guess that's a very good, it's a very good candle and a very good entry right here. Yeah, I expecting the market to drop even more. The first target will be this support, this minor support right here, because the real support is somewhere there. The TP are gonna be kept in this area, but I'm sure I'm gonna secure probably earlier. Okay, so yeah, something like that looks good to me. What do you think, man? So what do you expect from these markets? Do you have like any question, or do you see other stuff in these markets right here? What do you see? What's your bias for gold? Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Yeah, pretty much something like that. It's just basically it went like ranging for the whole day. So we got this on. Oh, let me change the stream settings because we are on 16th of March now, 13th. All right, so on 13 on Friday we got this. We got this open today, so that this is the open. So this is the open, and gold basically ranging all over the Asian session plus all over the London session, and now I expect it at least to bottom this range right over here, which is around 400 pips away. Is like huge amount of pips, 400 pips away. But at least I'm expecting to drop even to this bottom right here and then probably jump back. But I expect it to move some today, because if you are gonna take a look, it's like take a look right over here. So we have minus, it's almost minus 0.1% moving, is like 0.03% moving, is like fucking nothing. So nothing compared to what gold what potential have gold in moving on the intraday. So let's go to the trading view. So I'm gonna move to trading view right now. Let's get right here, take a look at that. So I got some analysis. Let's remove all the analysis I have right here. Okay, I'm not gonna keep any analysis. I just want to show you basically the percent that we have right now. I don't think, yeah, we kind of have different, yeah, we have different different charts right here. If you can see on the daily time frame, is like at this point we have minus 0.28% moving that to the downside. But right here at my broker is around 0% moving, because we can see the candle is like moving, is not moving basically from that point. So yeah, kind of interesting. Anyway, the idea is that we have even more potential to move to the downside, not only 0.20%, but even more. So yeah, that looks good. That looks good. We got pretty nice printing candles here. I dropped the lot size just because. So I've trading last week like bigger lot sizes. I trading around 0.15 or 0.14, and that was a lot. And I lose a lot, but I make some money. And for this week, I want to keep I wanted to keep the lot size not more than 0.05. So I'm gonna stick to the 0.5, to the 0.05. So yeah, something like that. But yeah, I can see that's a very good entry. Yeah, I really think it's a very good entry. I got an entry just below the lows on even a lot of time frames, like right here, like the daily time frame. We got a low here. We got a 12-hour time frame here. We got the 8-hour moving back right here. We have the 4-hour, which is very good time frame. 2-hour break of the lows. 1 hour also break the 1 hour. The entry time frame was the 1 hour, which had a break below right here, and I got the opportunity, and I sell it right away. And yep, something like that. And also the 30-minute time frame closure right here, which was bearish and reject from this support and reject from this resistance area, and then yeah, kind of pretty good drop. So I expect at least to touch 4973, yeah, something like that. So far so good, not gonna lie. I'm gonna secure some profits right here. I'm not gonna let it drop even more, because I don't know what's gonna happen next. I want to see just if we can break below this area, and then maybe I can secure something. But I think if I'm going, like, if the price is gonna hit this right here, I'm going to close something, because we got a lot of rejection in the past. We ranging all day. We don't know if we are ranging even more. So I don't have to be like that and just keep a position that much, because I mean, take a look right here. I have 370 pips. 370 pips with this lot size. It's also a lot of fucking money, dude. It's like $200. And it's like a lot of, like, come on, man, a lot of dollars. Like, it's just 0.05. And yeah, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna secure this right here. But if there's some volume and we can break below like a lot, I can secure from, I mean, here or something like that. It depends on what is about to do in the next hour, and in the next time I'm staying at the desk. So yeah, but so far so good. So far so good. I'm waiting for candles to close, and until I'm waiting for candle to close and for my next decision, I'm going to go to the kitchen and cook something, because I need to eat. So I'm gonna mute myself and, you know, just mute it and let the trade run right here. But yeah, for now I'm out. Okay. All right, so we have a candle closure right here on the 1 hour time frame, and so you said better take profit of 49.95 because on 50 minutes somehow a support. 50 minutes somehow a support. You mean on the left hand side right here? Yeah, kind of. It's like a minor support because we have all this range. I think we have more room to go to the downside. So, and not even to the downside, but I guess we can go more because take a look right here. We have the 2 hour time frame closed like that. Take a look at this huge candle. Take a look at this huge candle and take a look how this wick right here, it's the wicks, all the wicks on the left hand side, and now closing bearish below the last bullish candle. So this is a very, very good bearish confirmation on the 2 hour time frame, and as we know, the higher the time frame, the more accurate and the more strong is the resistance. So based on that, and based on the analysis that we've made earlier, this, my friend, it's a very good candle of a good continuation, even below the 49.93, the 49.73 support right here, because it's a very strong candle closing in our direction, and it's a very good candle. If we are looking on the daily, if you can take a look on the daily, we have a lot of room on the left hand side right over here, and we just start moving right now. Think about how much is moving gold in a day, and think about where we are right now, because right now we just dropped like 90 pips, and gold have it has a week of 300 pips, dude. And not just that, but think about, look at this candle right here. We have 600 pips body. Another one, we have 1,000 pips body right here. So based on that, and based on the fact that we know how gold moves, because we trade gold for since 2020, we can say that we have more room to the downside, even though we have this minor support on 15 minutes right here, or let's just say that's a support and we have a push right now. In my opinion, with the closure that we have on 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour time frames, 4 hour, and this and that, I can risk to let the trade running, but I'm confident in the analysis and the closure and the structure that I can see right now. So yeah, I get back to eat because I'm eating right now, and let this trade run. Yep, this is what I'm gonna do. Let this trade run and eating. So yeah, we got very good closure, very good breaks. Basically, what I'm gonna do next is to secure. If we had, if we don't have enough volume, I'm gonna secure at this point right here at 49.73, 74. But if we got some good volume, I'm gonna let it run even lower. And I guess the stop, I'm gonna move the stops almost to the break even or the 15-minute time frame right here, at this candle right here, because yeah, I guess we are at a point where I can accept that. So yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna close the live and see you